We're all terminally tech frustrated. You know that feeling when your smartphone, which is supposed to make life simpler, seems to have other plans. You spend more time troubleshooting than using it. Well, turns out your school might have a simpler solution than you think. They can teach you financial literacy. No more loan sharks, no more late fees, just financial freedom. Let me explain how. Now, we hear a lot about STEM education, science, technology, engineering, and math. These subjects are important, no doubt, because managing finances well can change your life. It can mean the difference between living paycheck to paycheck and having enough to save for the future. It's about making informed decisions, whether it's choosing a career, starting a business, or simply understanding the world around us. But what about the C in STEM, computer coding? It's not just about ones and zeros. Now that might sound like a lot, especially in a packed school timetable. Take physics. Understanding basic concepts can help you make sense of compound interest. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining size and momentum. By the end of the year, students can have a clear picture of where their money is going and how it's growing, empowering them to make smarter choices. But what if I told you we could integrate it into existing subjects? It's about understanding economic cycles, the ups and downs of markets, and the factors that shape financial systems. For example, the math teacher can use real-life scenarios to make math more engaging. Because let's face it, in a world where financial decisions affect all of us, shouldn't our kids be equipped to handle them? Shouldn't they be empowered to build a better financial future for themselves and for us all? Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Should we replace some subjects with financial literacy? Absolutely not. It's not about what you learn, but how you learn it. Like, imagine solving for X, where X is the amount of money needed to buy your dream gadget. It's about opening their eyes to the opportunities that are out there and equipping them with the knowledge they need to succeed. Or the science teacher can use compound interest to explain the growth of populations over time. With this knowledge, students can navigate the complexities of personal finance with confidence. For instance, math, it's everywhere in finance: percentages, fractions, ratios. A little bit of financial literacy can transform math from numbers on a page to money in your pocket. It's about logical thinking and problem solving, skills that can help you manage money. Meet Nidya Sharma. She's a coder with an exciting startup idea. But she's not just coding the next big thing. She's also learning financial coding. That's understanding financial statements, cash flow projections, the language of money. And guess what? She's loving it. It's like a new language, one that opens doors instead of closing them. It's not like we had formal classes on this growing up. We learned from our parents, from our experiences, maybe from some teachers who cared enough to share what they knew. But here's the thing, we shouldn't leave financial education to luck. Now, why is this important? It's part of our everyday lives. Same goes for managing money. It should be a fundamental skill, something we all start with when we're young. But hold on, let's rewind a bit. Why should schools even teach financial literacy? You're right, it's like teaching life skills. Sure, we learn how to cook and clean, but we don't call that home economics anymore. Imagine if every school had a dedicated financial literacy hour. Science, too, has a lot to do with the world of finance. And let's not forget about history. It's not just about dates and events. The best part, it doesn't require extra classrooms or materials. Just a little creativity and collaboration between teachers. It's about making connections, seeing how different subjects fit together to create a complete picture. Financial literacy is like a hidden curriculum. It's a set of skills that can be integrated into almost any subject, transforming the way students see the world around them. So here's what we can do. Advocate for financial literacy in schools, encourage teachers to integrate it into their lessons, and support programs that help students develop these essential skills.